Hi there, students. A primate. Okay, a primate is an order of animals. Humans are primates. So a primate, an animal that is born with a placenta, and it typically has flexible hands and feet and fingernails, and the opposing digits, so you've got a thumb and fingers, and good eyesight, and a short snout. And these are primates, particularly so lemurs, apes, monkeys, gorillas, and humans. But this is not the only meaning of a primate. So a primate we can use in a religious context. The head priest in a country. So a primate, a bishop or an archbishop. So the primate of the Church of England is the Archbishop of Canterbury, I think, yeah, of Great Britain. I think it's the Archbishop of Canterbury. Yeah, he was the Roman Catholic primate of Malta. Okay, so is the highest it's the priest with the highest position in his country, but within a Christian church. He's the primate. I guess you could possibly use it for other religions as well. It's the head priest, the high priest within your country. Okay, so it's a bishop or an archbishop. He's the number one. And normally they have various privileges. The primate, okay, the Anglican primate of Great Britain. We can also have a primate city. A primate city is the largest city in a country, and it's normally disproportionately larger than any of the others. I think the definition of a primate city is one that is at least twice as big as any other city in the country, and it's also at least twice as important. Okay, so a primate city. I guess you could have a primate city within a region as well. But I think, for example, primate cities in some Latin American countries, I don't know. I think, for example, Lima in Peru is a primate city because it's much, much, much bigger than any of the other cities. And one of the things that happens with primate cities is people from the countryside are attracted to the city. It's the primate city is the target of internal migration, this primate city is the most important, has precedence in economics, in politics, in culture, in education. And this is the idea of a primate city. Okay, so a primate, and the order of animals that are born with a placenta. They've got good eyesight, flexible hands and fingers, and these are apes and humans and different types of monkey. You've got the Archbishop, who is the primate. The primate of all England is the Archbishop of Canterbury. Yeah. Well, maybe the primate of England is the Archbishop of York, so an archbishop as well. And then a primate city, the most important city, but much bigger, at least twice as big as the next biggest city. Okay, so formality. Well, as an animal, a primate, 5 in formality, use anywhere. The The archbishop is the primate of his country. 6.5 informality. This is a church hierarchy. And then a primate city. I think 6 informality. Use semi-formal conversation, semi-formal or formal writing. Let's see the origin of this, or the origin of the animal, the simian anthropod, the ape, the monkey, is from Latin primus, one of the first, the chief, excellent, noble. Yeah, so because people believe that the primates are the most important order of animals. Who says? And for the chief bishop, we've got Latin primus, chief bishop, from primus, prime, or first rank. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Primates.